Hi, I'm Christy. I teach lettering and doodling, and I love making art on the iPad. I remember when I first got all the things I needed to create art on the iPad, I was overwhelmed. I had no idea what to do. And so I'm going to share a series with you on how to use the program Procreate. But first, I'm going to tell you the things that you need to get started. You're going to need 3 things to get started. You need an iPad. You need an Apple Pencil, and then you're going to need the app Procreate. Let me start by telling you that not all iPads are going to work with an Apple Pencil or the app Procreate. This is what the app Procreate looks like, and at the time of recording this video, it's only like $9.99, and so it's so affordable, and that's just a one-time fee. It's not monthly. Also, you are able to get this just on the iPad, so if you try to get it on your phone, it's not going to work. There is a different, I think it's called Pocket Procreate, and it is for the iPhone, but it's really small and hard to work with on there. Okay, while we're here, I want to show you that the latest version of Procreate that I'm working with during this video is 5.2.6. So anything that has been changed or updated after this, it might be different from what I'm telling you today. So you might be asking, how do I know if my iPad is compatible with an Apple Pencil or Procreate? And I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to figure that out. You might need to know what iPad model you have, because I know for me, I wouldn't remember. Okay, I've just opened up my settings, and then I'm going to go to About. I'm going to click on that, and then it's going to tell you what model you have. So I have the iPad Pro 12.9 inch 4th generation. So that way I can take that information and I can go to the Procreate website, and then I can look and see if it's compatible. So whatever yours says, make note of that, and then I'm going to take you to the website. So to get to the website, I just Googled Procreate FAQ, or you can Google what is compatible, what iPad is compatible. Okay, and so this page comes up and it talks about, it tells you the latest version, and then it also talks about what iPads work with the Apple Pencil and with the program Procreate, or the app Procreate. As of today, you have to have an iOS device to be able to use Procreate. So what if you're buying an iPad and you don't know if it's going to work with an Apple Pencil? That's another thing that you need to research. So once again, I Googled and I came up with Apple support. I just typed in what Apple Pencils are compatible. My iPad is compatible with the 2nd generation. Okay, so that's up here, 2nd generation. It has the name of my iPad. And one thing about this one, the special feature, is that it's magnetic. And when you click it on the side, it's automatically, if you saw that said it was 100% charged. So that automatically charges it. So if you have the other pencil, the 1st generation, it works great too. There's nothing different on the way they perform that I know of. It's just the charging. And so the charging port for the Apple Pencil, you can charge it here if you have the 1st generation, or you can charge it by plugging it in. Okay, this is where you need to determine what device you have and which pencil you need. You have to have the right pencil that works with it. So hopefully now you've figured out what your iPad is or which one you want to buy. That's another option that people are like, I don't know which one to buy. Mine is, I love mine. It's bigger than the smaller one. Hello. But it's the biggest size that they have as of today. It's the 12.9 inch. Now it works just as good as the smaller one, but I just have more space to, move around. But anyway, it doesn't really matter. Depends on your budget. So if you have the extra money to spend, I would go ahead and get the bigger one. And I have a lot of space on mine because I do a lot of projects. Once you have those 3 things, you are ready to get going. It's so fun. I just love the program. I'm going to pull up Procreate right here. When I open Procreate, this is what mine looks like, because I have been using Procreate for a while, and these are all folders of things projects I've been working on. So let me show you an example. This right here, this is me designing my subscription box. Here's my subscription box. See how fun you can do so many things, not just paper related, but you can have physical things made out of it. I've done fabric, I've done all things. Here's an example of something that I've designed. I love doing art on the iPad. Like I said in the beginning, I teach lettering and doodling, and I actually have a membership group, and it's faith-based, that I love, and I want to invite you to be a part of that. It only opens a couple times a year, but you can get on the wait list if we're not open, and I'll give you that link so you can find out more about it. Now, before you go, I have more videos that talk about how to use Procreate. I'm teaching you layers, how to use the layers, how to use different brushes, how to use the color wheel. Oh, I have some fun stuff about that. So, okay, scooch in. I want to be friends. So if you'll subscribe, you won't miss my videos. Have a great day.